Take a look at these titles ChatGPT generated. Now be honest, do any of these deserve more than 10 views? Exactly. They're generic, vague, and just plain boring. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT write titles that actually get clicks. Go ahead and check the title of this video. You clicked, right? That's the power of a title and a thumbnail done right. But here's the twist. I didn't just type make viral titles into ChatGPT. I tested 24 different ways to find the perfect method, and I finally cracked it. Stick with me, I'll show you how to do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Base idea of the video. Before you even open ChatGPT, let me ask you this. Do you actually know what your video is about? Not the topic, but the core idea behind it. What you want viewers to feel, think, or click for. See, this is where 90% of creators mess up. They jump straight into ChatGPT without a clear base idea. And when your input is weak, your output is even weaker. So here's how pros do it. They start with what I call the base idea, a single clear sentence that tells ChatGPT exactly what your video is about. Not the title, not the script, just the message. So before you type another prompt into ChatGPT, can you explain your video idea in one clear sentence? If not, that's what you have to fix first. But even with a strong base idea, your titles can still flop if they don't hook attention. That's where step 2 comes in, the curiosity gap. Have you ever written a title that you thought was perfect, but it didn't get clicks? It's not that your idea was bad, it's that it didn't trigger the curiosity gap. The curiosity gap is the tension between what your audience knows and what they need to know. The bigger the gap, the better. But if there's almost no gap, there's no reason for them to click. So, as the second step, before you even use ChatGPT, ask yourself this: what do I want my viewers to wonder when they see my title? That question alone will instantly separate an average title from a clickable one. For example, let's say the base idea of this video is using ChatGPT to write YouTube titles. But with the curiosity gap introduced, ChatGPT converted that into why ChatGPT titles don't work. See the difference? Same topic, totally different results. Now, once you nailed your curiosity gap, that's where ChatGPT becomes powerful. Because when you feed it the right idea and the right gap, it can help you create titles that actually pull views. But here's the catch. How you feed ChatGPT matters more than what you feed it. Step 3. Feed them into ChatGPT. So you have got your base idea and the curiosity gap. But how do you make ChatGPT actually understand them? Answer: don't dump everything in one giant prompt. Use 2 pro hacks. First, the thought clone method. We work step by step so ChatGPT thinks like you. Second, expert mode prompting. Make ChatGPT ask clarifying questions before answering. Both hacks are from my previous video on 5 ChatGPT hacks. First, use a short control prompt like this. Let's work on the title of my next YouTube video. Below are the base idea and the curiosity gap I want to create. Your task is to generate 3 high converting titles that are optimized for higher CTR based on the guidelines I give you next. Are you ready? This confirms the role and make ChatGPT wait for the inputs. If this is already helping you, it would mean a lot if you can subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment with the base idea that you want me to test live. I'll pick one and show you the entire process in the next video. Let's get back to this video. Next, feed the base idea, the curiosity gap, and your rules. Use this exact template. Great, here are the details about the video. Base idea, paste your base idea here from step 1. Curiosity gap for the video. Paste your curiosity gap here from step 2. These are the 4 guidelines I like to have. but you can add more or remove whatever you don't like. Number one, the title and thumbnail must tell the base idea of the video. We'll work on the thumbnail next. Number two, the title and the thumbnail must create a curiosity gap in viewers' mind. Number three, keep it simple and easy to understand with below grade 8 reading level. Number four, keep the character limit between 30 to 45. Ask me 3 to 5 questions before start working on this video to get a clear understanding about this video idea. That last line, that's expert mode prompting. It forces ChatGPT to ask clarifying questions so the output matches your situation. Don't skip it. Once ChatGPT replies, pick one and iterate using thought clone method. Confirm choices and ask for tweaks to sharpen the final title. You'll be amazed with the results. So now you know exactly how to get ChatGPT to write titles that actually get clicks. But don't stop here. I put everything in this video into a free guide that you can download with exact prompts that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT to get instant results. And if you want prompt packs for thumbnails, hooks, scripts, and everything else, come join my school community. Inside, I share my advanced prompts, templates, courses, and everything to help you master ChatGPT. Links are all below. I'll see you inside. Look, even with all these AI tools like ChatGPT, there's no shortcut to success. The truth is, most people will use the same tools and a very few will actually put in the work. And that's what makes you different. The effort, the consistency, that's what's gonna set you apart in this AI and YouTube game. So put in the work, keep showing up. You got this. And if you want help and support along the way, come join my school community. If not, no worries. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I almost forgot. If you like this video, you'll love this video right here on 5 ChatGPT hacks that I mentioned earlier. Go ahead and watch that. Cheers.